Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I am so excited today to tell you everything that I just picked up from AliExpress for only $1. Yeah, that's right, $1 you guys. Each item came out to being 33 cents and I got free shipping. You are not gonna believe these deals, so stay tuned to see everything I got from AliExpress. I'm gonna tell you all about the shipping, all about their huge sale, and how you too can get 3 items of your choice for only $1. So, starting out, this was the first thing I got from AliExpress. It came super fast. I'm talking it shipped out the next day and I got it in I think 3 days after I placed my order. So this is the first item to arrive and I cannot wait to show these. They are so cute, so cute. Check these out, they're socks, and look at this, like a whole bag of socks here. I think it's 10 pairs, yep, 10 pairs. Check this out. I got 10 pairs of socks for 33 cents. Yeah, that's right, that's completely insane. Check out how cute these are. So first of all, you're seeing every single color imaginable, like just insane. They're all these like nice kind of earth tones and then some really feminine cute pink ones as well. But a little bit of everything. You've got white, you've got gray, you've got a tan, but let me show you the cutest part of this. Look, they have little teddy bears on each side, the insides and on the outside. They've got this ribbed top and it's super stretchy. So, you know, they won't slide down, but they're gonna fit fine on your ankle. And I really like that it has a little bit of extra cushion right here to protect your heel and your like Achilles heel right there. That's what rubs on a lot of shoes. So you have extra cushion and just really, really cute no-show socks. Well, just barely showing your cute little bear. So we've got a mustard color, a tan khaki color. Look at that, it's just all teddy bear all day. It's so cute. They are really, really soft and stretchy, comfortable, and super breathable as well. So we got the brown ones, the gray, the white. How cute is that? A slightly different khaki color there. Check out this emerald green. That's probably my favorite. I'm going to live in these. Blue, black, and pink. How cute are these? So again, you guys, 10 pairs of socks, all super cute, every different color, and that was just one of the 3 items I got for only $1. Again, free shipping. So I cannot wait for you guys. If you are a new customer, you have to sign up for this deal. But don't worry, even if you've shopped on AliExpress before, I hope you have because you've been watching me promote them for a while now. So if you are a returning customer to AliExpress, it might be a little more than just $1 for you, but don't worry, you're still getting insane prices, like less than wholesale prices. Absolutely incredible. So next thing I got from AliExpress for 33 cents. Check this out. So you're wondering, what is this? It is a sewing kit. I've recently tried to get into sewing and I needed some more sewing tools, and AliExpress happened to be the best place to pick up some extra thread, some extra needles, and just all of the things that you need for sewing. Whether you're sewing with a machine or maybe you just need to replace a button or sew something by hand, this is gonna be a great kit to keep with you. I cannot believe everything that comes with this kit and that it comes in this nice little case to keep everything all together for you, again, for only 33 cents. So, nice zipper, really great quality. I know everyone always asks me like, how is the quality with these AliExpress items? Surprisingly fantastic, especially for the price. So check all of this out. You've got a thimble right here, super cute, and it is real metal. All of your little bobbins of thread in so many different colors. They're really like vibrant colors. You've got some lime greens, some yellow, this like electric blue color, your Barbie pink, all of that. And I like that you have places to put your thread, so even when you run out of these or you want to replace them, you have like some extra straps right here, maybe a different color. You have plenty of room to keep all of your thread nice and organized and clean. They're not gonna be tingling around each other or getting lost or unraveled right there, so it's a really smart design. You also have a place right here for a measuring tape, super important if you're gonna be sewing. So then we have all kinds of tools down here. I'm gonna go through them for you, absolutely fantastic. You've got your pens, so that's important to make any of your alterations. You've got all of these needles right here in different sizes. They're all super nice and organized. Check that out. Absolutely fantastic. And you've got this case to keep all of your needles organized. So it's just incredible that it comes with that. You have all of these different sewing tools, including scissors, including a thread cutter, like so you can de-thread things. And you've got some safety pins. And it even comes with extra buttons. So if you're going to replace a button and maybe you lost it, you have extra buttons right there. So you're gonna be able to mend clothing and sew and do everything. This comes in handy in maybe an emergency situation when you're traveling and you need to fix something, or maybe it's just nice to keep next to the sewing machine at home. It's a really, really fantastic kit. And again, check out the quality of these things. This is a real metal thimble. These are real sharp scissors. Look, you can hear that. That tells you the kind of quality that you should expect from AliExpress. Just because you're getting something for only 33 cents, again, 3 items, 3 incredible items for only $1, including shipping. That doesn't mean that the quality is not there, because it is. This is a high quality, all-inclusive sewing kit, and you get a ton of different things. So, last but not least, my final item that I got for 3 for $1 from AliExpress is this really cool little water and juice jug. So what I use this for is I put my water in this, and I like to make what I call spa water. I have some herbs and like some mint and some cucumber that I put in here to infuse into the water, and it just gives it a little extra refreshing taste. Maybe makes it a little bit healthier, definitely makes me more likely to drink it, but you've got plenty of room right here for all of your water for the day. The lid just snaps right on, super easy, like this. And it has a nice little nozzle right here to where everything comes out really quickly, and you just flip it to let your liquid come out, flip it down to turn it off. This is absolutely great for parties, for mixed drinks, for infusing your water with any flavors that you would want. Maybe you want to do fruit water or herbs like I do, like mint. You can do this for tea as well. Maybe add some extra lemon and ginger in your green tea. It's absolutely fantastic. And what I like about this is it's not too huge, and it's a really smart, skinny design, so you can put it right in the refrigerator and have plenty of room for everything else around it. Even if you live in a smaller space, this is still gonna work for you. What I love about AliExpress is they have a little bit of everything. They are useful items, they are super cute items, and you're just gonna have to go shopping for yourself. Tell me what you got for $1, because the page, I'm gonna show you this on screen, there are so many different things that you can choose from. So many different things. I know that you're gonna be able to find things that you absolutely love, and they're gonna come to you super fast. You are going to be shocked with the speed of the shipping and how amazing the delivery is. Even if you are a returning AliExpress customer, you might not qualify for the $1, but don't worry, it's still going to be such a good price. So get to shopping, check out all of the things on the sale. I'm gonna show you the page on screen so you'll know how to get to this sale. You're gonna be able to pick out 3 different incredible items, like these socks. Again, 10 pairs of socks for 33 cents. It's mind-blowing. Like this amazing water pitcher, like this all-inclusive, I don't even know how many pieces, but I don't know, like 50-piece sewing set right here. Absolutely insane. Go ahead, you guys, get to shopping. Tell me what all you picked out for only $1 free shipping, super fast shipping from AliExpress, especially for new customers. You guys are going to absolutely love this sale. I know I did. I'm so excited to enjoy all of my products from AliExpress, and I know you will be as well. Nowhere else in the world can you get so many things for only $1. So go ahead, you guys, get to shopping.